For hanging picture frame, we need a hanging wire, metal one or can be fabric one, strong brown paper tape, which usually I also using for sealing my frames, scissors, and picture frame with two hooks where we will attach the wire through it and making the picture more easy to hang on the wall or ready for exhibition if it is artwork or anything something like that. We have to place the wire through both hooks, make it straight and leave it a bit loose, not too tight, otherwise it will break.